Hello everyone, today we are on the sets of Zindagi's newly launched show Bhagire Man, and we have with us the very beautiful Karuna Pandey. Hi Karuna, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. So tell us how's the experience shooting for this show?
Oh my goodness, the experience is wonderful because the content which we always look for, the content is so good and the character is so unique. It's very unconventional lead which I've got to play. So the experience has been wonderful. The scenes which we do, like they are unlike the other GC shows which we've done earlier. They're pretty different, and we get to do something in a very natural zone, like very relatable things. So really, though it's difficult to perform, but it's amazing.
The show is doing pretty well, but then what made you to choose this show?
Um, okay, the show, first of all, the channel Zindagi, as you all know, we all know that it's a beautiful channel, and I had seen one couple of shows of this channel earlier, and the channel is so promising. The drama is so relatable. The zone is so natural that I don't think so anybody would say no for Zindagi show. First of all, if you're an actor, if you really love acting, and second thing, the content. The Padmini was so unconventional when I heard about her. And of course, it's not that I only chose it. They called me, they tested me, and then they approved it, of course. But I also loved the content which they shared with me, the character, the lightness of the character, the belief that happiness is the ultimate thing in life, and if you're happy, then only you'll be able to keep other people happy. That kind of thought process. And with that lightness, she has depth also. So both the things go parallel. Like, if you're happy also, you're a happy-go-lucky person, you'll not show your tears to people, but still there is a depth. So that contrast of the character and the two things going together, that really geared me to pick this one.
So tell us a little bit about your character.
So Padmini is an independent woman, of course. She believes in doing what makes you or other people happy. She ran away from house 20 years back. So, but she was in touch with her bhabhi through letters and all, because they were childhood friends and they loved each other, unconditionally. So she used to be in touch with Padmini with letters. So she has seen everything without being there, without being physically present there. She's seen everything about the kids growing. She knows everything. So that 20 years she spent for herself, spent for her good. She was not prepared for marriage that time. That's why she ran away, because nobody was ready to listen to her. And it was a very small city, and people, and brother also, he could not understand her that way. So she ran away. She came back, and now she's never taken any responsibility in life. लेकिन अब वो वापस आई है, तो now she has a challenge. Now, as you must, if people are following the show, they know that Anjidi is no more in the show, so they know that. तो उसके बाद now वो बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी जो है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द किड्स, वो उसके ऊपर आ गई है, जो उसने कभी देखी नहीं है जीवन में. 20 साल ऐसे केयर फ्री बिल्कुल मलंग की तरह बिताए हैं, बट नाउ शी इज़ बैक. और उसको वो बच्चे जो ऑलरेडी बड़े हैं, जो बच्चे भी नहीं हैं अपने आप में, तो ये भी नर्सरी से शुरू कर रही है, और वो भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स में कहीं ना कहीं नर्सरी में ही डील कर रहे हैं. तो इसको भी सीखना है, और उनको संभालते हुए ये कैसे खुद सीखती है. दैट इज़ द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग ऑफ पद्मिनी. एंड दिस टैगलाइन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर कि जो खुशी दे वही सही है, जो सरल है वही सत्य है. इफ इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, इट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. सो दैट्स व्हाट शी बिलीव्स इन.
We absolutely agree. So how has your journey been till now in this show?
It has been amazing. There have been ups and downs about the, sometimes जो characters मैंने इससे पहले किए हैं, I've played many different kind of colorful characters, but this is something very grounded, very natural. The zone, the tone has to be very natural, You have to be normal all the time. So that is really difficult. But ups and downs were there, of the complications of the characters were there. But journey has been amazing. I've learned so many things. It's a beautiful journey.
So how did acting come to your way?
Oh my goodness, from childhood. I was a dance, I was into dancing and singing and music, ka passion. And I have been, and slowly I learned Kathak. As my dad, posted out to places, I started learning Kathak and Bharatanatyam. And then I got to know about Indian theatre. So I joined Indian theatre in Punjab University, did my masters from there. Then I went to National School of Drama's Repertory Company. I acted there as an actor. Then I came to Bombay. It was always there. Somewhere, I don't know from where. So the acting thing, the dancing thing, the music and all that, it's always been there inside. I couldn't have done anything else, I believe.
Any particular roles that you want to play on screen?
I think all kind of roles, trust me. I want to play a, a very vulnerable, very heroic, very seedy sadi kind of woman also, because that my face never allowed me to do that because I've got sharp features. But I really want somebody to look at me like that and cast me in a very sober, very shant kind of girl that I've never played. I want to play a very bizarre negative, very bizarre positive, you know, all rangila, chakpata, whatever comes my way. I'm an actor, so that's my job. अभिनय करना तो चाहती हूँ. अलग अलग रंग हैं, नवरस हैं. अभी तो हमने सारे रसों को कवर भी कहाँ किया है. इतने सारे भाव हैं, so I want to play all of them.
We hope that you get these kind of roles very
Thank you
soon.
so much. Thanks.
So this was Karuna, wasn't she? Wow. This is Dharini Sangvi with camera person Amar Mehta, terrychakkar.com.